Alright. We're taking the high road. We're up above Pansy Patch Park on the trail. It actually used to be a railroad bed not even that long ago. Now it's got a ginormous cell phone tower. Come on, Teddy Bear. We're taking Teddy Bear down to the river. The rapids, actually. He's got to get a bath today. But don't tell him that. He does not like a bath at all. Hey, big guy. Here somewhere. That old foundation's got all kinds of graffiti on it. Oh, here you go. Alright, this is a big hill. I can remember we used to pit snowmobiles through here, but she's a little tight now. Everything's growing up. There's the little creek on the riverbank.